Welcome to the video tutorials from Schmalenberger. In this video, you will be shown how to replace a mechanical seal of a centrifugal pump type S3212. Safety notice. Before you start working on the pump, make sure the pump is free of power. The pump must be flushed, depressurized, and free of any media residues, and please wear your personal protective equipment. Before you start disassembling, make sure all the necessary tools are within reach. Find yourself a clean and safe workspace. You will need the tools and equipment listed on the service kit sheet, as well as the contents of our service kit. When disassembling the pump, pay attention to the alignment of the parts so that when reassembling, the motor's terminal box is on the correct side again. If possible, mark the parts accordingly. After removing the cover, you can loosen the impeller screw and remove the impeller. Remove the spring and disassemble the housing. From the disassembled housing, you can remove the loose sliding ring and the counter ring. When removing the flat gasket, also remove any residues from the cover and housing. Wet the O-ring of the mechanical seal with soapy water and press it into the housing. Be careful not to damage the sliding surface. Next, the housing is reattached to the motor. Now make sure it's aligned correctly. Only fasten the screws a bit so that the feeler strips can be placed between the housing and the motor. Now place the insertion sleeve onto the shaft. Wet the O-ring of the sliding ring with soapy water and place it on the insertion sleeve. Insert the disc again and gently press everything together onto the counter ring. Now the spring can be placed and pressed onto the sliding ring. Make sure that the anti-rotation lock of the spring is inserted into the groove of the sliding ring. Next, first place a ring, then the ring clamping elements, and then another ring onto the end of the shaft. Place the impeller on and press it with gentle twisting motions towards the guide wheel until it lightly touches the guide wheel. Now the feeler strips can be pulled out and the housing screws can be tightened. Check the free movement of the impeller. It must not scrape the housing. Apply grease to both sides of the flat gasket when mounting, then place the cover and tighten the screws crosswise to prevent it from getting jammed at the guide wheel. Finally, check the pump for free movement.